Okay, so number 11, which expression below best describes the graph above? So I have my y-intercepts and I have my slopes. So easiest thing to do would be to eliminate some of these y-intercepts. So where my line crosses my y-axis is right here at a positive 2. So my y-intercept is at 0, 2. So it could be B or C, but it can't be A or D because they have the wrong y-intercept. All right, another thing to look at is this negative or positive? All right, well, if you draw a little guy on your slope line, he's walking down, so that's a negative slope. All right, so it's going to have to be B. And I can prove that further by picking two perfect points. So right there looks good, and right here was good too. So I am going down 2 and over 3, and it's negative. So that gives me a slope of negative 2/3. So that's B. All right, for 12, the table shows the linear relationship of the cost in dollars of X swimming lessons, including the membership fee for the swim club. So here's my data, here's my X, here's my Y. Determine the slope. So the slope is always going to be that change in Y, so that'll be top, and that change in X. So I want to see how my Y's are changing. So I'm just going to subtract 33 and 21, and how my X's are changing. So 3 minus 1. So 33 minus 21 is 12, and 3 minus 1 is 2, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay, so the slope is 6, and this represents the cost per lesson, because this is my cost per lesson. Y is on top. All right, 13, we're back to the similar right triangle. So triangle LMN is similar to triangle NOP based on the information which of the following is not true. Okay, so when I have a line and I have my triangles, the slope's always the same no matter what. Okay, so is the slope of triangle LMN the same as the slope of NOP? Or is the slope of NOP less than the slope of LMN? Is the slope the same for line LN as it is for NP? And then I have some algebraic representations. So if we just want to go ahead and figure this out, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going up 4 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 4 over 10. And we are going up 2 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and 4 over 10 simplifies to be 2/5. So that's the same, which it should be, because no matter what 2 points I pick, the slope's going to be the same. So this is true, and this is true. So this is not true. But if we look at this, right here, they use the ordered pairs, the -8 and 1, and the 2 and 5. They use those ordered pairs, and they use the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And then they simplified, and they got the 2/5, which is the same. So that's true. So the one not true is B.